Ben Kennedy is waiting for Jack to get here to pick us up in the van. And we've just been sat in his car. He's just been messing about with this mirror because he can't get it to do it. But I looked at this mirror. It's a shorter mirror. You didn't even know. You fixed that yet?
No.
Wow, this is going to be an eventful day. You finally made it. Welcome to the club, Jack.
Yay.
What do you think about Kenny's mirror? Wait till you see it on the video. Wait till you see it. It's like this big. Like everything else, ain't Kenny? Like this big.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're on the way to Leicester. We're getting some funny looks from this lady sat next to us. But we're going to go and pick up this spoiler, so we'll see you when we get there. I'm not going to bother with any cinematics because this video is probably going to be long enough.
Right.
Because we're going to fit it in this video as well. So
Trying to get comfy.
You're like a fucking worm squirming about.
Big worm.
Little. Ain't worms full of water as well?
yeah, they are. Some good quality H2O. We made it to Medusa Designs. We've got Rick here again, obviously 2 metre distance as always. But we finally got the spoiler. It looks really, really good. This has been a long time coming, hasn't it? But we got there in the end. Due to obviously the virus and everything, it kind of just delayed things. But again, if you guys do want any of this body kits or you just want to check out what Rick does, down in the description, obviously Rick can tell you exactly now what he actually does do. Just so you guys have a bit of an insight.
Hi, Rick from Medusa in Leicester, dealing with Rusty Autos here. Rusty's here today to collect the V3 spoiler for the wide Nissan 350z conversion body kit. He's already bought the 350z kit off us, and now he's come to collect today this V3 spoiler, as you can see. That should complete his build, so we're looking forward to seeing that in the near future, aren't we, Rusty?
Damn right. We'll bring it down, definitely. Then Kenny's just stood here like he don't know what he's doing, eh? Alright, so make sure you're going down below in the descriptions and make sure you're following for anything. Obviously it deals with alloys, body kits, there's loads of stuff you deal with, isn't there? So just go on the website, check them out as well. We made it back in one piece, even though Kenny was squiggling like a little worm. So, obviously we're not going to show you the spoiler on the car just yet, but we've had a little sneak peek, and I will tell you, it looks damn good. If you're following on social medias, then you'll see that the spoiler, well, you would have seen the spoiler on the car. You'd see that it actually looks really good. However, what we're going to do now is we're going to fit it. I believe there's 2 bolts that sit there in the ouch. I don't know why I said ouch when he didn't even touch me, but he nearly did. So there's 2 bolts that sit in the existing spoiler section, and then there's 2 bolts on each side where it like kind of goes across. You'll see it on the cinematics. You've got to drill through the boot lid itself for them ones, but you do need them, otherwise it just sticks up slightly. So we're going to go ahead and make sure this spoiler is all nice and secure. Are you alright?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you stretching after your long drive?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Stretch more. How awkward is that?
Yeah.
The spoiler is now on, and it looks absolutely insane as you saw from them cinematics. Now, the fitment on it, that was pretty well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The fitment is pretty damn good, to be fair. Like, it fits over the badge, it fits over the 350z badge as well, if that was on there. It's literally a straight bang on, so you can keep them on. I thought we was going to have to remove them badges, but we didn't need to, which is great. Obviously, there's the section for the Veilside badge right here, which, again, it needs a little bit of a sanding, which all body kits and stuff like that do. But I think this bit here, we're going to get this section carbon skinned, because this does come off right here, this section. We need to go through and sand it all as well, make it ready for paint. The spoiler itself is going to go gloss black, but like I said, this section is going to get carbon skinned, I think, as well. What do you think to it?
I like it.
Like, it's not as wide as I thought it would be. Like, we've all said that as well, haven't we? But from the rear, it actually does look really wide. Jack, can you move? I'm not on about his arse either. But
What are you on about my rear?
yeah, that's what I'm on. No, pretty wide. But no, it actually is wide. It's really wide. I mean, on camera though, it looks really wide.
I don't like that photo. But
Yeah, the photo that got took, obviously, it does look really, really wide. It's like Jack said, it's a bit like a duckbill, isn't it? But added support.
with an adder.
Added aerodynamics. So if you're wondering why we haven't done the rear arches as well yet, now there is a reason for that. We've been told, to be fair, by Medusa Designs not to. No, I'm joking. We've been told that we need the wheels. So as you can imagine, they're very expensive. I'm hoping to order them very, very soon, like very shortly. They're gonna have to be custom made, so we want to make sure the sizes are right. I've been told 20 inch by 11.5J by negative 18 offset, I think it was.
I can't remember.
Something like that. That's what I've been told. However, I'm going to double check it, because wheel sizes is not our strong point, is it? No. Not at all. So if anybody does know, comment down below, or if you can give us a hand, that'd be great, because I've been told different things for the front. I've been told get 9.5J for the front, but then I'm being told to get 10.5J for the front, so I don't know. So somebody, if you can help, please do help. Drop us a message. Obviously, we're going to go and see the tyre shop next door, because Danny probably knows. He probably does know. So hopefully he does. He can give us a hand a little bit. But also as well, dealers for AirTech. So hit us up. Dealers for Cobra still. Now we're going to drive this around and show you exactly what it looks like outside, because it looks really fucking good. But I can't wait to actually get the rear arches on and then send everything off for paint, because it's kind of coming together. Again, with the bonnet, I think I'm ordering that as well at the end of this month. Nice. So the bonnet is going to be the carbon as well, but that, I think that's a 12-week waiting list. So this project's not quick, is it? No. No project's quick, so bear with us. Like I said, we always do it, eh? It's quicker than yours, yeah. But is it though? Because I've had the car nearly 2 years. No. Year and a half. Yeah, well. So just bear with us. Like I said, we do our projects. We do complete them, unless obviously, like the FTO, things are too expensive to insurance. We can't warrant spending that on the insurance for that, when that could go to something else. But we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. We'll be at car shows. We'll be there at Sunday. So the things left for it will be wheels, rear arches, bonnet, mirrors, paint the other bits. I want some new lights, and then we need to crack on with that interior as well.
Flock it.
We're going to flock it.